In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite not launching on Epic Games. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present multiple methods to help you fix Fortnite not launching properly when you play it through the Epic Games launcher, and how to help you address what is giving you issues. So first, go over to the Epic Games launcher, and you will find the game in here. Now, I'm gonna close it down. I just wanted to show you that mine is working, and after you go over to your library, you will find the game here. What you have to do is click these little three dots, go over to manage, and now what I recommend is that you verify the integrity of the game. Or rather, verify files. What this is going to do is scan all of the files that were downloaded by the Epic Games launcher on your computer. If it detects that any of them necessary for Fortnite to work are missing or corrupted, they will be re-downloaded. Sometimes, if your internet was being unstable, or if you just had random problems during the installation and the necessary files for the game to work were missing, they will be re-downloaded, and like I said, they are necessary for the game to work. So go ahead and try launching it again. If it still doesn't work, then you can move on to other options. As weird as this may seem, what I recommend is that you close down any applications on the background. So you can simply hover over any application that you see, right-click it, and then close. But you can also use the task manager. A lot of users have reported that having Discord open on the background actually gave them a lot of trouble. So first, for whatever reason, if you have Discord open, I recommend that you close it. You don't have to keep it closed after you run the game. You can go ahead and open it back again. But the current idea is that Discord sometimes gives Easy Anti-Cheat, which is the anti-cheat software that Fortnite uses trouble. So by closing down Discord, you are going to be sure that Easy Anti-Cheat does not flag it as something harmful, and Fortnite is going to work. It is weird, but I recommend that you try regardless. I'm not going to do it in this video because I'm currently recording. Now, with this out of the way, if it still doesn't work, then the last option that I want to present is for you to right-click the Windows icon. If you are using a Windows PC, go over to Device Manager, and in here you will be able to find your display adapters, which is also known as your graphics card or GPU. Note down the model, and what you can do if you have something like integrated graphics is to simply right-click this and update the driver. Now, if you have something from NVIDIA or AMD, which is my case here, note down the specific model, open a web browser, and look for AMD drivers or NVIDIA drivers. So for example, if you have something from NVIDIA, go to nvidia.com, click on drivers, and then select GeForce, select the model, and then the specific GPU that you have. Alternatively, if you have something from AMD, which is my case, just go over to the AMD website instead, and you will be able to find the drivers in here. As long as you download the latest version of the drivers for your graphics card, you should be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite not launching on Epic Games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.